Have you applied for jobs and never get called for interviews? You send your CV everywhere, but no response? Listen carefully. It might not be your qualifications. It might be your resume. Welcome to Career-Shule, where we turn job seekers into job winners. Today, I'm breaking down the biggest resume mistakes and how to fix them properly. Let's go. Mistake number 1, using one resume for every job. This is one of the biggest mistakes. Many applicants create one CV and send it to 50 companies. That is dangerous. Why? Because employers are looking for specific skills. If the job requires customer service or sales and your CV talks mostly about unrelated experience, you will be ignored. The fix: customize your resume for every job. Use keywords from the job description. Match your skills to what the employer wants. A resume is not your life story. It's a marketing document. Mistake number 2, poor formatting and messy layout. Recruiters spend 6 to 10 seconds scanning your CV. If it looks crowded, disorganized, or hard to read, they move on. Your resume should include a header with your full name, phone number, and professional email. Then, a short 3 to 4 line professional summary. Next is the skills section with bullet points relevant to the job. Then work experience, listing your job title and 3 to 5 bullet achievements. Keep it clean using one professional font. Mistake number 3, writing job duties instead of achievements. Employers want to know what you achieved. Instead of saying, I was responsible for sales, which is weak, say, increased monthly sales by 30%. Numbers attract attention and speak louder. Mistake number 4, too long or too short. If you have less than 5 years experience, 1 page is enough. For more experience, maximum 2 pages. Remove irrelevant hobbies and personal info like marital status or ID numbers. Keep it professional. Mistake number 5, grammar and spelling errors. A single spelling mistake can destroy your chances. Always proofread, use spell check, and ask someone to review it for you. Professionalism matters. Mistake number 6, unprofessional email address. If your email is coolboy or princess queen, that is not professional. Create something simple, like firstname.lastname. It makes a huge difference. Mistake number 7, no keywords for ATS systems. Many companies use applicant tracking systems. If your CV doesn't contain keywords from the job description, the system may reject it automatically. If the job says project management, use those exact words. Always match exact keywords where possible. Now, let's look at the final checklist. Before submitting, ask, is it tailored? Is it 1 to 2 pages? Is it clean and easy to read? If yes, you are getting closer. Does it show achievements with numbers? Is it free of grammar mistakes? Is it formatted professionally? If yes, you are ready. Your resume is your first impression. Before you speak, your CV speaks for you. If you found this helpful, subscribe to Career-Shule. We teach practical career skills that get real results. Comment below, what part of your resume do you struggle with the most? See you in the next video.